Hello and welcome to another class of Amazon EC2. So today we are going to discuss about EC2 common uses. So where we can use EC2 Elastic Compute Cloud. So EC2 is used in big data. For example, Hadoop and Spark. This is a database software Aurora and DynamoDB. We have enterprise applications SAP, Oracle, SharePoint. We have migrations from on-premises environments including BYOL, open source cluster management. So these are the uses of Amazon EC2. Now, what are the benefits of EC2? Like, very first benefit is elastic web scale computing. Amazon EC2 enables you to increase or decrease capacity within minutes, not hours, not or days, within minutes. We can commission one, hundreds, or even thousands of server instances simultaneously. Of course, because of this, all controlled with web service APIs, your application can automatically scale itself up and down depending on its needs. So, this is elastic web scale computing. Next benefit of EC2 is completely controlled. We can have complete control of your instances. We can have root access to each one, and we can interact with them as would any machine. We can stop an instance by retaining the data on your boot partition and then subsequently restart the same instance using the web service API. Instances can be rebooted remotely using the web service API. We can have access to console output of your instances. This is the second benefit of EC2, which is completely controlled. Then we have flexible cloud hosting services. We have the choice of multiple instance type, operating system, software packages. Now Amazon EC2 allows you to select a configuration of memory, CPU, instance storage, boot partition size that is optimal for your choice of operating system and application. For example, your choice of operating system include Linux or Microsoft Windows Server. Next is designed for use with other Amazon Web Services. Amazon EC2 works in conjunction with Amazon Simple Storage Service, which is S3, Amazon Relational Database Service, RDS, Amazon Simple DynamoDB, or Amazon SQS, which is Simple Queue Service, to provide a complete solution for computing, query processing, storage across a wide range of applications. EC2 is reliable. It offers a highly reliable environment where replacement instances can be rapidly commissioned. The service runs with Amazon's proven network infrastructures and data centers. Amazon EC2 service level agreement commitment is 99.95% availability for each Amazon EC2 region. It is secure. Amazon EC2 works in conjunction with Amazon Virtual Private Cloud to provide security and robust networking functionality for your resources. Your compute instances are located in Virtual Private Cloud within an IP range that you specify. We can decide the instances are exposed to internet and which will remain private. Security groups and network ACLs allow you to control inbound and outbound network access to and from your instances. You can connect with your existing IT infrastructure to your resources in a virtual private cloud with some industry standard encrypted IPsec VPN connections. For additional isolation, you can provision your EC2 resources on dedicated host or dedicated instances. Both allow you to use EC2 instances in a virtual private cloud or hardware dedicated to a single customer. If you don't have a default VPC, you can create your own VPC and you can launch your instances in VPC, such as you can create private subnets, outbound security group filtering, ACLs, dedicated instances, and VPN connections. So this is a secure. It is inexpensive. That means Amazon EC2 passes on you to the financial benefits. You can pay a very low rate for compute capacity you actually consume. So, pricing of the EC2 that we'll discuss in our next slide. This is easy to start. That means quickly start with Amazon EC2. To choose your pre-configured software on AMIs, you can quickly deploy the software to EC2 on a EC2 console, management console. So let's discuss about the pricing of EC2. Amazon EC2 is free to use. There are 4 ways to pay for EC2 instances. Like we have on-demand instances, reserved instances, and spot instances. With on-demand instances, you only pay for the EC2 instance that you use. The use of on-demand instances free you from cost and complexity of planning, purchasing, and maintaining hardware, and transforms that your commonly large fixed cost into smaller variable cost. That means you are having a very small variable cost of using these on-demand instances. Reserved instances provide you with significant discount of up to 75% compared to on-demand instances pricing. In addition, when reserved instances are assigned to a specific availability zone, they provide a capacity reservation, giving you an additional confidence in your ability to launch instances when you need them. Reserved instances are basically recommended for applications with steady state usage, with applications that may require reserved capacity, or the customers that can commit you to use EC2 over 1 or 3 year term to reduce their computing cost. Next, we have Amazon EC2 Spot instances. They allow you to bid on spare EC2 computing capacity for up to 90% of the on-demand price. Spot instances are recommended for such applications that are flexible start and end times. These are for applications that are only feasible at low-cost compute prices. Or these are for users with urgent computing needs for a large amount of additional capacity. Now we have dedicated host. It is a physical EC2 server which are dedicated for use. Dedicated host can help you to reduce cost by allowing you to use your existing server-bound software licenses, including Windows Server, SQL Server, Linux Enterprise Server, and can help you to meet compliance requirements. These can be purchased on demand, hourly basis, can be purchased as a reservation up to 70% off on demand price. These are dedicated price. Now we can check the EC2 price on EC2 pricing structure of AWS management console, where we can see the total price on an hourly basis. Thank you so much.